We are starting a series on fall harvesting, and in this video we are going to be showing you how we're harvesting our sweet potato to see what our yields are. And we're going to start right now. What's going on YouTube Gardening? It's your boy Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. In this video we're going to show you how we're harvesting our sweet potato and seeing our yields from there. Now if you like these types of videos, make sure you hit that like button. It really helps our channel out. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you don't miss an upload. So we're into the fall season, and as you can see, some of these leaves are dying back, so we're going to try to see how our yields are. We've been growing these about, when did we start growing these?
Oh goodness, I want to say that
About midsummer.
Yeah.
Midsummer, and we've been growing them in these 20-gallon fabric containers. And as you can see on the sugar cane, we got some volunteer, I think these are Jaguar marigolds. But we're going to test these out. We're going to clip off the leaves, and normally with these leaves from Grow Family Network, Bev, she did a little dish on it. We might try it out for breakfast tomorrow, where she just sauteed these with some onion, some garlic, and just season to your taste. We'll probably do some red pepper flakes and do some eggs on it. But we're just going to take these leaves off so we'll be able to dump this all the container soil onto the tarp and fish out the sweet potatoes from there.
What happened?
Looked like we got some tubers going through the fabric containers, and it was going into the ground here.
Oh, we're gonna have potatoes for our future homeowners we sell the house to.
Yeah.
What a gift for them.
If they know what these are.
Yeah, I hope they do.
These sweet potatoes we got from a organic grocery store, and the reason why we chose these was it was only off of one potato that we was able to grow all of these. When you do organic, they don't spray a chemical on there to keep them from spudding out and everything. So that's the reason why you wanted to use organic sweet potato if you're growing from the store. We did a video about it. We'll put a link above so that way you can follow along that to see how you can start some sweet potatoes. These are the Asian purple sweet potato that we got from Rob and his family from the Esseance Family Garden channel. These are the leaves that we're going to harvest, about 2 cups worth of leaves, and use them for breakfast. Now, if you remember the video where we planted these, we snuck in some horseradish in here. So this is our first time growing horseradish. So we're very excited to see how that turned out. Y'all ready? Let's go. Now, another tip that we're trying out is a kind of like an experiment is we're taking the portion of the stem like this. We're cutting off the branches here, and then we're cutting at the bottom nodes or whatever nodes it's next to. Let's say right here, since there's a node right there, and we're just putting this in some water, and we got a few from the original sweet potatoes and these Asian sweet potatoes, and they have a lot of roots on theirs. So that way, when it comes to next year, we'll be able to just go ahead and plant them in our forever homestead, and they'll be able to get a jump start on our sweet potatoes.
What do you see? Ooh. So we need more beneficial nematodes if we were staying here, because we've been finding these underneath all of our pots, and like a bunch of them. And there is a bunch.
This is some horseradish that we got from an Asian grocery store. Wasn't too, didn't know how to grow this, so we kind of interplant this with the purple sweet potatoes. So let's see how this goes. This is going to be, if we get a good yield off of this, this is going to be a good component when we make our fire cider for this cold winter season coming up. All right, so I don't think we did a good job on the horseradish unless we kind of use the greens and the leaves part. If y'all know, make sure y'all comment down below. Let us know what we could have did to improve this. If y'all ever grown horseradish before, and also let us know if we can even use the leaves. We're gonna probably just save the leaves right now and look up certain ways that we can purpose these horseradish leaves. So we had a decent harvest on the regular sweet potatoes and a one good size Asian purple sweet potato that we got from Rob Sapper Garden. And I think we probably could have did a lot better if we didn't companion plant with the horseradish. Maybe they were just fighting over the nutrition into the soil. But other than that, with these, you're going to get a lot of good iron, some potassium, a lot of vitamin D, C, and B, and a lot of vitamin A. And they're very low in calories and a good amount of fiber and a good amount of protein. We recently watched Mike from Fit Farmer, where he interviewed John Jackson from the Comfort Farms in Georgia, where John Jackson was talking about how he cures his sweet potato. And he said that you need the sweet potato to be in an 80 to 90 degree temperature with an 80 to 90 degree humidity, and he stuck them in a box, a Cambro box, which is quite expensive, but he stuck them in there for about 10 to 14 days, and that heat allows the heat to break down the starch and the sugar, which allows the sweet potato to become a lot sweeter. So we're going to take these sweet potatoes and we're going to put them on our drying curing rack that I made for Mrs. Naked Gardener last year. I think it was last year. We'll put the link above to show you how we designed and built this. So we're just going to put these right here and let them cure for about 10 to 14 days. We looked at the 10-day forecast and saw that it wasn't going to have any rain. We are going to eventually put it you said a container on top of here to
Yeah,
upside down.
we don't have that fancy box,
Yeah.
so I want it to try keeping them a little warmer
Yeah.
with some
And
humidity.
and we got some decent weather. It's not too humid here in North Texas. If you're in a climate closer to the coastal area, it will get a little bit more humidity, but this allows the air to flow from underneath and above, where it gets some good drying and curing process. So it's the next day, and we decided to have some of the sweet potato leaves for breakfast. So all I did was just to fry some, saute some onions, some garlic, some peppers, and zested some lemons, with squeeze some lemon juice on there. And then I added the potato leaves in there, sauteed up there to get to a nice, whatever we like to do it. And then I did an over easy egg on there with some sausage. So this is our first time trying this. We've never tried it before, so let's see how it tastes.
I want to get your opinion. I want to burst that egg open on it.
Yeah, that's...
That'll add that extra. I'm one of those where I like to get a little bit of everything and taste it together. I know some people don't like their food to touch, but I like it all mixed up.
It touches when it comes out.
Ooh, that lemon tastes good in there.
Mm-hmm. It's almost like it is almost like a spinach.
It is. Like, I think if somebody made this for me, I would think that it's spinach.
You almost think it was spinach. So, definitely going to be doing a lot more of these potato leaves.
I think this has changed, because I bought spinach this,
I got a good kick of that lemon right there.
I could have been out there, like, picking some of these leaves for some of the dishes.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good.
So, thank you, Bev from Grow Family Network, for showing this dish, and Rob Sapper Garden from Essayance Family Garden for telling us that you can do this. This is definitely a big win, and we're gonna definitely incorporate this into our diet more often now. So, back to our video. We hope you like this video. If so, make sure to give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel out. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so you don't miss an upload. Now we're going to start doing these fall harvest playlists. We'll put a playlist above here so you can follow along. Until the next video, let's grow together.